Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, I want to talk about how to become successful with affiliate marketing in 2019. When I started off with affiliate marketing, I used to send traffic or all my traffic to the actual item that I'm promoting. Well, this is a massive problem because once someone buys that item that you send them to, they're gone for good. You don't have their email, you can't contact them later. So this in actual fact makes you run at a loss because it costs a lot of money to get someone to convert to buy that item from your affiliate link. So I did some research and I came across an idea which I thought was fantastic, and this is what I'm going to share with you today. So what you do is you create a basic WordPress website. So instead of sending all your traffic to the item that you're promoting, you send that traffic onto your own website. You create a squeeze page where you capture their email and their name and email. So the reason why you're doing this is, let's say down the line they decide not to purchase that item, you can then follow up with emails and convince them and talk about the benefits of why they need to buy that product. So you don't have to spend extra money now to get that customer back to your page or to your affiliate link because you've captured their email, and all you have to do now is to send them automated emails just to remind them about the benefits of that product. So this is the most effective way of doing this. Now, if you want to take this a step further, is when you choose your affiliate product that you want to promote, make sure that you choose related products. Now, what do I mean by this? So let's say I'm promoting hosting. So hosting is my main thing that I'm promoting. So let's say I've captured the visitor's email and they purchased the hosting. Later on, I could send them an email and say, hey, you know what? You've bought hosting and you're probably running WordPress on your website. I also have a product which I think will be fantastic for your website. And this could be a plugin or a security plugin. So as you can see, these products are now related. So first of all is the hosting. They have installed WordPress. Now you want to promote an SEO plugin or a security plugin to them down the line. So now all these extra products that you want to promote or persuade them to buy, you don't have to spend traffic to get that person back to your new affiliate links because you have them on your mailing list. So this is how you save a lot of money on your advertising, and this is why it's key to build your mailing list and to have that capture page. So this squeeze page is very basic to build. You can actually use cart flows if you're using WordPress. And if you're outside WordPress, there's tools like ClickFunnels. But then again, I don't really recommend that if you're starting off because it's quite expensive. You're required to pay about $97 per month, which can be a lot if you're starting off, and that money could actually go towards promoting your links to your affiliates. The next thing I want to talk about is very important. When you choose products to promote, make sure you choose products that are worthwhile promoting. So let's say you're getting $5 per referral. That's not really a lot of money, and this requires a lot of work to put into that, or even if you're finding paid traffic, it's going to cost you a lot of money to actually make that $5 convert. So what you want to do is to find products that pay about $50 and above, because that's worth your while. And the amount of effort that you put into getting someone to convert for $5, to be honest, is the same amount of effort that you would use to convert someone to pay $50 for whatever it is that you're promoting. So it's very important that you choose affiliates that pay very, very well. And as I mentioned before, you need to make sure you find products that are related for this to really work. When it comes to promoting affiliates, what you want to do is to create your own content which provides value to the products or products that you're trying to promote. So in my case, I do a lot of web design tutorials. So these tutorials link in with security, SEO, page builders, hosting, and so on. So what I do is on my YouTube channel, I create a lot of these tutorials. So as people are watching these, they actually convert. I mean, the conversions are not very high, but as people are watching these tutorials, they can always click on my affiliate link and purchase these items. Now, if you were just going to do paid advertising only, it takes time to learn the paid advertising, so it may cost you a bit more if you do it that way. So what I recommend is, if you can, try and create videos, try and create podcasts around the product that you use that you want to promote. So this strategy is long term, and if you create a video today, I mean that video could bring in affiliate conversions even 5 months down the line. I have some videos which I created 2 years ago, and they're still converting, they're still making me a lot of money. And what type of videos are these? These are videos where you could just pick a product and you do a review about it. So that review is pretty much selling that product to potential buyers. So if they buy through your affiliate link, that is how you make your money. So it's very important to create these review products. Now, the next thing I want to talk about is if you create videos or you do podcasting, one other way you could actually make a bit of money is by listing all the gear that you use on your website, like I've done here. So all these link to Amazon. So that's where I can get a little bit of money if someone does buy this product from my page. So this is the strategy that I recommend. So build your own website, create each landing page for each item that you're promoting, and this can be done using WordPress. If you're brand new to WordPress, I have a free course which you can access right away. It's a step-by-step course which pretty much covers everything that you need to know about WordPress. So go ahead, the link is in the description below. You can sign up for that course. It's absolutely free. If you have any questions regarding affiliate marketing, please leave your questions in the comments box below, and I'll do my best to respond to that. Until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.